Topping our newscast, travelers feel the pressure today as a global ban on the Boeing 737 Max 8 and 9 plane spreads. Today, airports across the world have been hit by flight cancellations and flight changes. This as major aviation authorities ground the two plane models. Over at the Tampa International Airport, flights were impacted. Cayman Islands resident Raijanna Morrow was among the passengers dealing with the delays.
It certainly has been impacted by the other flights that are coming, in and out of this airport, because security was backed up for an hour, and my flight has already been delayed twice.
The planes were grounded after Sunday's Ethiopian Airways crash that killed all 157 passengers on board.